Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. So I hope you all are maintaining the protocol for COVID-19, and I know that you all are so excited about the for your Science Olympiad examination, and we are as excited as you are. Okay, so let's start this chapter and welcome to the 7th part of our Science Olympiad, that is our environment. And what we are going to learn? We'll learn about the water cycle, we'll learn about the soil, then atmosphere and composition of air, then we'll learn water pollution, soil pollution and erosion, then we are going to learn air pollution, purification of water, conservation of environment. Okay, so let's start. See, the first thing what you can see the water cycle. Okay, and what is water cycle? The conversion of liquid into vapor, and vapor again into liquid is known as the water cycle. Okay, let's start. So there are 3 processes are involved, that is evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Okay, so what is evaporation, what is condensation and what is precipitation? So this process in evaporation, what happened, in this process change water into water vapor, and dry hot air causes faster evaporation. Okay, so you know the water when they are changes into water vapor, and how would they change into water vapor? When there is too much heat, जब बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight हो या heat हो, so water क्या होता है, water vapor में change हो जाता है. Like you can see ना, in the summer time the water bodies like the lakes and river, वो क्या होते हैं, वो कम हो जाते हैं, because बहुत ज़्यादा fast क्या होता है, evaporation होता है. ठीक है, so in this process what happened, the water change into water vapor. Okay, and you know when they change into water vapor, when they convert into vapor, what happened, they are goes up. Why they are goes up? Because they are now hot air, और hot air हमेशा ऊपर जाता है. ठीक है, so they goes up. Okay, and when they are goes up, they form cloud. वो ऊपर जाके क्या बन जाते हैं, cloud बन जाते हैं. Okay, so when they are formed into cloud, what happened, then that time condensation process occur. And what is condensation? This process change water vapor into water droplets upon cooling. जब वो ठंडा हो जाता है ना, when they become cool, the water vapor changes into water droplets. Okay, and then again they fall down on the earth's surface as precipitation. Okay, precipitation means the rain. Okay, precipitation means by this process water falls on the earth as rain, hail, snow, etc. Okay, hails means वो जो स्नो की बार, वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना हेल स्टॉर्म हुआ है, मीन्स छोटे छोटे आइस क्यूब्स बन के छोटे छोटे जो बॉल्स होके बारिश होता है ना, दैट आर द हेल स्टॉर्म. ओके, दैट आर द हेल. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द वाटर साइकिल, मीन्स चेंजेस द वाटर इनटू वेपर एंड देन अगेन वेपर टू liquid. Okay, this is called the water cycle, and in this process evaporation, condensation and precipitation occur. Okay, so now let's see the soil and types of soil. Okay, types of soils. So soil are mainly of, there are many types, but mainly they are of 3 types: sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Okay, now what is sandy soil? It does not hold enough water, plants do not grow well in it, and found on seashores and in desert regions. So where they found in the seashore and desert region. Why? Because हम जब जाते हैं ना बीच में, I hope like most of you have been in beach or near the beach. What you have seen, you must have experienced the sand. ठीक है, so sand जो होता है ना, उसमें क्या होता है, उसमें वाटर लेवल जो होता है, होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी कम होती है. एंड यू कैन चेक इट बाय योरसेल्फ ओनली. यू कैन टेक सम सैंड फ्रॉम योर नियर बाई एरियाज एंड देन उसमें वाटर डालना. यू वॉट यू विल सी, द वाटर विल ड्रेन. ठीक है, वाटर जो है उसमें होल्ड नहीं हो पाएगा, वो निकल जाएगा. So the crop does not grow well in that. Okay, plants या crop उसमें अच्छा नहीं होता है. Now what is clay soil? Clay particles are fine and sticky. बहुत fine and sticky होते हैं, and you must play with the clay. हम clay से खेलते हैं ना. So the soil holds a lot of water. Okay, they can hold a lot of water but has very little space of air. But इसमें air space बहुत कम होता है. So found at many places except desert and hilltops. Okay, so clay soil does not found in the desert area and hilltops. Now let's see about the loamy soil. And in the loamy soil, this is the best for the plant growths. Okay, it best for the plant growths. Why? Because it has the space for the air, it can hold the water, and it has humus. Humus is what? Humus is the upper layer of the earth which has manures in it. Okay, इसमें manures मिले हुए होते हैं. ठीक है. Now see the components of soil. What are the components in soil and what is soil erosion? So the action of flowing water and blowing wind wears the soil particle from the surface of the earth and or takes the soil from one place to another, and this is called the soil erosion. So soil erosion, you know what, when the excess wind come, you know, when strong winds occur, or when the heavy rainfall occurs, or when the flowing of water is very heavy, then what happen, you know, the upper layer of the soil, the strong wind or water, they wears away. Okay, and they take it to the far places or from one place to another place, and this is called the soil erosion. ठीक है, ऊपर लेवल जो होता है ना सॉइल का, वो उड़ जाता है या वो बह जाता है. ठीक है, वाटर या विंड के साथ. दैट इज कॉल्ड द सॉइल इरोजन. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सॉइल? व्हेन यू विल पुट a handful of soil into a glass, you will see there is a level of soil. So the last layer of the soil are the stone. जो नीचे सेटल हो जाते हैं ना, जो सबसे नीचे होते हैं, that are stone. उसके ऊपर जो होते हैं सैंड होते हैं. देन क्ले, द स्टिकी वन. देन अब ह्यूमस जो है वो सबसे ऊपर होता है, और वो जो फ्लोटिंग पार्ट्स होते हैं ना वाटर में, जब हम सॉइल डालते हैं, द फ्लोटिंग वंस, दैट इज द ह्यूमस. ओके, now let's see about the pollution. Okay, so the main kinds of environmental pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Okay, so how the air pollution occur? When there is so much smoke in the air, when there is a, you know, because of the vehicle and because of the fuel burning, the air pollution occur, and because of the air pollution many breathing diseases occur in the human being. Okay, water pollution, when we throw our waste products or the plastic in the water pollution occur, and because of the water pollution we suffer from many diseases like diarrhea and all. Now soil pollution, when we throw the plastic and all in the soil, okay, the soil of that place, or when we throw the waste material of our home which is not degradable, that soil pollution occur. And noise pollution, mainly this occur in the urban city when there is too much noise. Okay, when there is too much honking of vehicles and all are there, the loudspeakers are there, the noise pollution occur, and because of the noise pollution the hearing impact may happen. Okay, सुनने में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. Okay, now come to this part, and what is this? Okay, purification of water. So we have learnt about the water cycle. Now let's see about the purification of water. So purification of water means there is a 4 process involved, that is boiling, chlorination, filtration, sedimentation, and decantation. Okay, now what is boiling? Boiling, at a high temperature the germs present in water get killed and water becomes the fit for drinking after it cools. So you know, we should boil the water. Why? Because when we boil the water, the germs present in the water that get killed. Okay, and now water is fit for the drinking. Second is chlorination. So we can put the chlorine tablets to clean the impure water. Okay, and it kills the germs as well. Especially in the swimming pool and all, they put the chlorine in the swimming pool to kill the germs and all. Now filtration, it is a process of sieve or separate insoluble suspended impurities from water. Okay, sieve मतलब छानना, हम इसको छान सकते हैं. Okay, so from in this process water is passed through a filter and can clean water is collected separately, and now that is fit for drinking. After that, not only fit for drinking, we should boil that water, the separated water. Okay, the filtered water. Now sedimentation and decantation, what is this? Sedimentation and decantation is allowing water to stand in a container for a few hours. Means उसमें आप एक ग्लास में या किसी में भी वाटर को बिल्कुल थोड़ी देर के लिए बिना हिलाए आप उसको रख दो few hours के लिए, and to let the heavy impurities settle down. So if there is impurities, that will be settled down, वो नीचे बैठ जाएगा. And decantation is a process by which the clean water is poured out gently without disturbing the settled impurities. So in decantation means we can pour out the clean water, that is the upper part of the water, in another container. Okay, without disturbing. Okay, Now see the atmosphere and composition of air. How the air composite. Okay, so air is present all around us, and the blanket of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Okay, so air contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and only 1% of other gases. Okay. Now see here, forests are means of conservation of environments. Why forests are there? To conservation of environment means to protect the many plants and animals who lives in the forest. Okay, and also to give us many food products, many medicines, and the wood products, and also to provide us with the rain. So they reduce soil erosion by holding the soil, improve air quality by giving us the oxygen rich air, and by releasing oxygen and cause rain. Okay, so these are important. Now let's see the practice question. Okay, let's move to it. So let's see here. The first one is sea breeze blows when the air above land is dash and the air above sea is dash. So you know the sea breeze and land breeze. When the sea breeze when sea breeze occur when the land air is warmer, okay, and the sea air above the land air is warmer, and the sea air is colder, okay, then only sea breeze is occur. Okay, then only the sea breeze is occur. So what will be the answer? Answer will be A, B, C or D. What will be the answer? Okay, so the answer will be number D. Okay, the answer will be number D. When the land is warmer and the sea is colder. Okay, so जब warm होता है ना land, तो क्या होता है, उसके ऊपर का जो air होता है that goes to the seas, वो seas के वो ऊपर उठ के ऊपर चला जाता है, and then to fill the space in the land the cold breeze comes from the sea. Okay, so that's why in the beach area or during the daytime it feels good when you are near the ocean, okay, near the beach. Number 2, the process of water cycle that helps to fill well and sometimes leads to floods is also responsible for. So what will be the answer? The answer will be number C. Okay, the answer will be number C. Why? Let's see. So the process of water cycle that helps to fill well. So it is a water cycle process when we fill well and sometimes lead to flood is responsible for snowfall and colder area. ठीक है? It will be the answer for the snowfall and colder area. Now number 3, unscramble the given option and select the one that is not a cause for soil erosion. So there is a scramble word. There is a scramble word, and what are these? These are the first one. What will be the first one? The first one will be I think plugging. The first one will be plugging. The second one will be afforestation. The third one will be deforestation, and the fourth one will be overgrazing. Okay, so which one will be not the cause of, that is not a cause of soil erosion? So the answer will be number B. Okay, afforestation. Okay, afforestation is not a cause for the soil erosion. Okay, now number 4, select the option that arrange the major gases in the decreasing order of. So what is the major one? The major one is nitrogen, then oxygen, then carbon dioxide. Here is the 2 option. Number B and C are the same one. So the answer will be any number B or C. आप C को टिक कर सकते हो. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है 78%, then oxygen is 21%, and the carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Okay. Now come to number 5. The given activity shows that there is an activity. Okay, and what is the activity? That there is a burning of a candle. Then when we put a glass jar on it, the जो burn है वो क्या हो जाता है, वो बंद हो जाता है. ठीक है. So what is it? The the activity shows that air is needed for burning. Okay, that number C will be the answer. Number C will be the answer. The air is needed for burning. Okay, now come to number 6. Select the incorrect statement for the following. So there is a statement, and which one is the incorrect? The dark colored human found in topmost of air of soil makes the soil fertile. Yes, it can be. Now come to number B. Afforestation protect the soil from the erosion. Let's see. Chemical fertilizers are less harmful than organic fertilizers. And overgrazing, yes, see, number 1, dark colored humus found in the topmost layer of soil, it is correct one. Number 2, afforestation protect the soil from erosion, yes, it is also true, because afforestation means what? Afforestation means what? Planting more and more tree and making a forest बनाना को afforestation कहते हैं, ठीक है. Number 3, overgrazing is one of the cause of soil erosion. Yes, it can be a cause of soil erosion, क्योंकि overgrazing ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो soil जो है वो soil जो है वहाँ का खाली हो सकता है, and that when the heavy rainfall or wind will come, the top layer soil may remove from that place. So the answer will be number C. Chemical fertilizers are less harmful than organic fertilizer. It is false because this is more harmful. Okay, now come to number 7. Dash leads to pollution of air, throwing of untreated industrial waste in the water bodies, reducing the use of fossil fuel, and carbon dioxide released in respiration by animals, avoiding washing and cleaning of animals in water bodies. So the answer will be number A. Why? Because when we throw the untreated industrial materials waste into the water bodies, it causes the water pollution. Okay, now come to number 8. What is the number 8? Examine the experiment as shown in the given. So there is an experiment. So 500 milliliter of water flask, there is a water flask. Okay, there is a 500 milliliter of water heated until it's completely evaporated. So तब तक heat करना है जब तक वो पूरा evaporate ना हो जाए. The amount of water collected in the flask Y will be. So what amount of the water vapor will be collected? It will be collected 500 milliliter only, क्योंकि ये ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. That is going to this flask only. Okay. Now come to number 9. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. So there are column 1 and column 2. I need to select. Okay. So number 1 is running water carries the topsoil with it. What can it be? It can be the running water. Okay, it can be number 1. Okay, embankments. Number 2, the strong winds blow away humus-rich topsoil. So it will be windbreaks. It can be windbreaks. Okay. So number 2 will be, number 1 will be, number A will be 1 and 4. Number A will be number 1 and 4. Number 2 will be windbreak, and number 3 will be indiscrimination cutting of trees called the afforestation. Okay. So the answer will be number D. Okay. Answer will be number D. Now come to number 10. Which of the following is the best method of purification of muddy water? So from where we can purify the muddy water very nicely? So the answer will be number C. Okay, by filtration. Here we can say by the filtration. Okay. Now number 11C. Charu continued to heat 100 milliliter of pure water for 5 minutes till it reached its boiling point. Which of the following figure shows the result at the end of her experiment? So Charu, she is continued to heat 100 milliliter of water until 5 minutes. Okay. So which one is shows the end of the experiment? So the answer will be B. Why? Because so number B. Why? Because 100 milliliter, 100 degree centimeter in 100 water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and the temperature remains constant during the entire process. As the water starts changing into steam, at this temperature its volume will decreases. That's the correct option is B. So its volume decreases means, see, सब में 100 milliliter ही है, but here its volume is less 65 milliliter, क्योंकि हम boil करते हैं तो definitely water level जो है वो कम हो जाता है, and only at 100 milliliter 100 degree Celsius में हमें करना है, because और सब में 110 है. That is not the correct one. Okay. Now see 12 number. Whenever we use the air conditioner, refrigerators, etc., we send P gases into the air. Which one of is this P gases? So the answer will be CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, so the answer will be chlorofluorocarbon. Which of the following will help the reduce air pollution? So which one help to reduce the air pollution using CNG transport rather than diesel and petrol. It can be getting vehicle checked for pollution. It can be using public transport instead of private vehicles. So all the three are correct. So the answer will be all of these. Okay. Now come to number 14. A scientist observed a sudden increase in the number of algae in the lake over a few days ago. So एक साइंटिस्ट है, उसने क्या देखा है, कुछ दिन पहले एक लेक में जो क्या है, लेक में एल्गी बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया. The reason behind it could be, so what can be the reason? The reason can be water cycle in the area got imbalanced. Electronic waste are being dumped in the nearby areas. A factory with heavy smoke discharge has been established nearby. A heavy amount of chemical fertilizers. So answer will be the heavy amount of chemical fertilizers were being used in the nearby area. So the answer will be number D. Okay, so the answer will be number D. Now see number 15. The change in the number of water plants in 4 ponds L, M, N and O over 4 months is shown in the graph. Which pond is the most polluted? So here is the number of water pond A, L, M, N, O, and here is July, August, September, October. So which one is the most polluted? So the answer will be number D. Why? Because see, in the O सबसे ज़्यादा pollution है, right? Okay. Now see number 16 and 17. So the number 16 is a factory was set up in an area which used to discharge its untreated waste down to the pipe into nearby water body. So there is a factory, वो क्या कर रहा है, that is discharging untreated waste into a water body, एक river में, ठीक है. After few days the factory was shut down due to some legal action. तो factory बंद हो गया कुछ दिन बाद. We have seen then the given graph shows the changes in the population of 2 organisms X and Y over time before the setting of the factory after it was shut down. Identify X and Y and select the correct option. So what can be X and Y? दो बहुत ज़्यादा affect हुआ. So what it can be? So the X and Y can be X and Y can be, X could be bacteria, yes it could be bacteria, and the second could be fish, ठीक है. So fish and bacteria जो है सबसे ज़्यादा क्या हुआ है, affect हुआ है. Okay, see here what it is written here. The given graph shows the changes in the population of X and Y over time before the setting of the factory and after it was shut down. So identify X and Y. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन बढ़ा है, बैक्टीरिया बढ़ चुका है. See the plus one is the bacteria, it increases. पहले बैक्टीरिया कम था. Here you can see the bacteria was less before, but after the discharge of the untreated chemicals, the bacteria increases. So it can be bacteria. And the fish, firstly the fish was more, fish उसमें ज़्यादा था उस water bodies में, but जैसे उसमें untreated waste material डाला गया, the fish became less, fish जो है वो कम हो गया. So the answer will be it could be bacteria and fish. Okay, now come to number 17. Which one of the following setups does not show the air occupies space? इसमें से कौन सा दिखा रहा है कि air space occupy नहीं करता है? Okay, so the answer will be number D. Why? Because air always occupies the space. Okay, so air has no size or shape of its own, but it fills every space. Okay, and first three options shows that the first three options are showing that yes it can be, it takes space, but in number D it's not showing. Okay, now come to numbers 18, 19 and 17. Okay, so direction, here is the direction 18, 19 and 20. Refer to the given paragraph and table. So answer the following. So Priya took 100 gram each of 3 types of soil. So Priya, she is a girl and she has taken X, Y, Z 3 type of soil in a separate pots with hole at its bottom. Okay, so the amount of water that was poured in the pot containing the soil just before they started dripping from the bottom hole is tabulated here. So उसने तीन बर्तन में नीचे थोड़ा सा होल बना के वाटर सॉइल ले लिया. एक में 15 मिलीलीटर, एक में 25 मिलीलीटर, एक में 50 मिलीलीटर. ओके, नाउ सी हियर द सॉइल मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर पॉटरी इज, विच वन इज द मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर पॉटरी? X, Y, Z and cannot be determined. Okay, so here the answer will be number C, Z. Z is more suitable for the pottery because there is 25 milliliter, because that is 50 milliliter. ओके. सो वाई एज सॉइल जेड इज हैविंग हाइएस्ट वाटर रिटेंशन. सबसे ज़्यादा वाटर रिटेंशन किस में है, जेड में है, यानी 50 मिलीलीटर वाटर है इसमें. ठीक है. सो इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा वाटर है, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द पॉटरी. एंड इट इज़ अ क्ले सॉइल बिकॉज इसमें वाटर कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा है. सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द पॉटरी. नाउ कम टू नंबर 19. द सॉइल सुटेबल फॉर ग्रोइंग वाटर मेलन्स एंड कैक्टस. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी नंबर ए for the watermelon and cactus. Why? Because watermelon, so the watermelon and cactus thrives well in sandy oil. They are very good in the sandy oil. And here by looking at this, what we can say, the water is 15 milliliter in x. सबसे ज़्यादा कम water x में ही है, means it is a sandy soil. ये एक sandy soil है. So watermelon and cactus is very good, are very good grow in the, can grow very good in the sandy soil. Okay. Now number 20. The soil that is mixture of clay soil and sand and humus is usually very good for the growth of most plant, and it will be the Y, because see it has 25 milliliter of water, means it is a combination of all the soil. It is a combination of clay, sand and humus. Okay. So this much for today, and I hope you understood this chapter very nicely. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And yes, the same question will not come, but similar type question may come in your examination. Practice this all question at home, and if you have any doubt, then do ask me. Okay. Thank you for today, and best of luck for your examination.